Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Taufikullah Dahlan. I want to describe my paper. Sorry, I want to share screen. My research about analysis local instruction theory mathematical set in realistic mathematics education for developing mathematical understanding ability for junior high school student during COVID-19. This article sponsor from Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Universitas Pasundan, Universitas Indah Prastra, and the article can presented in international conference and mathematics and science education. Okay. This article with my friend Professor Darhim, Dr. Datang Juandi, Mrs. Nia Gardenia, and Tessa Kandaga. This is introduction my research begin for student learning experience in class, determine design that present the problem, presentation of teaching material classroom, interaction, pattern, intervention model, then preliminary studies and literature studies, textbook, learning videos, student difficulties, curriculum analysis, they use contextual, they use the real-world model to form concept understanding of construction, pattern of interaction, the interrelation of the learning process. Then initial research result, the students still make mistake the solving set problem. Intentional theory, local intentional theory, special theory can guide the help someone learn to particular topic. This is a relation between local intentional theory, set, mathematical understanding, and COVID-19. One way to develop the mathematical understanding ability of junior high school students during COVID-19 is local instructional trajectory. Because local instructional trajectory, students are accustomed to starting learning with conceptual or daily problem. Conceptual problem provide opportunities for students to construct and discover their own knowledge. The result, my research can title Analysis Local Instruction Theory Mathematical Set in Realistic Mathematics for Developing Mathematical Understanding Ability for Junior High School Students during COVID-19. Okay, next. Method. This research uses design research method. The essence of design research is the cyclic process of the activity of designing, testing a series of learning activities. The main focus of the research is to formulate a compile and mathematical set material design derived to 5 characteristics of realistic mathematics education learning. The research we carried out in 2 stages. Each is referred to step in design research, namely 1. Developing the initial design, preliminary design, conducting teaching experiment, carry out a retrospective analysis. There are 2 reasons to choosing only 2 stages in the study. First, research time and limited research. Second, the material carry out only 1 year. Activity in the first phase, which are implement and analyze retrospective, then improve recommendation for improvement activities and second step. The finding from the analysis from the second step provide a final recommendation of this research. A description of the research design each stage initially present in figure 1. Next. This is a figure 1 design research. Step 1, preliminary design, designing learning, teaching experiment, hypothetical learning trajectory, produce LIT, local internet trajectory, class experiment, pre-test, treatment post-test, retrospective analysis, Step 2, preliminary design, designing learning, teaching experiment, hypothetical trajectory, produce local insight trajectory, plus pre-test and post-test. This is a figure 1 design research. 3. Result and discussion. Based the result of the research or discussion has been described in the previous section. It can conclude that the result of the development of the learning trajectory of the study in the form of mathematical understanding, local trajectory towards realistic mathematical education. Learning approach develops student mathematical understanding ability. This theory explains the step that must be faced by student in learning. The use of mathematical understanding, local trajectory towards the realistic mathematical education. Approach contribute the emergent horizontal mathematics and vertical mathematical process. This is indicated by the result of the analysis of student answer for each indicator in the process of horizontal mathematical and vertical mathematical. The result is the more than few students have brought of the step in the horizontal mathematical process in the mathematical set sub-material. This show the learning using mathematical understanding, local insight in realistic mathematical education learning, approach from the light role except the process horizontal mathematical and vertical mathematical. Next. Conclusion. The result of development of the learning trajectory of study in form of mathematical understanding, local trajectory, towards realistic mathematical education learning, affords the developed student mathematical modeling abilities. This theory explains the step most faced by student in learning mathematical set material which includes sub-material. The design of learning activities in this study is based on the syntax of realistic mathematical learning model. The topic generated by the learning design and mathematical understanding. This research was tested in one test class without using the comparison class. Therefore, the next researcher should be able to use a comparison class to see further effectiveness in learning. One very important result of the research design is mathematical set local instruction theory in realistic mathematical education learning approach to develop student mathematical modeling abilities and to understand the mathematics. This research saw the conjecture on the learning trajectory use realistic mathematical learning as the for the local instruction theory on mathematical understanding material. The finding in this indicate the student mathematical understanding ability can be developed and coordinated with a learning trajectory design. Therefore, the further learning design not relate mathematical understanding material learning trajectory will need to develop further. Next. Mathematical set, local instruction theory in relative mathematication. Learning effort is designed to develop mathematical thinking skill. In this study, the ability to focus the mathematical understanding ability of students with further analysis process of horizontal mathematics and vertical mathematics. Therefore, to further research, it is better observe other mathematical thinking abilities such as student mathematical understanding ability, representation, mathematical abstraction, process, and other. For teacher or other researcher who want to implement the learning trajectory of the result of the study-based experience exercising the study, namely one researcher or teacher must master various designing problem to the resulting solution vary and solve informally and formally. Researcher teacher must fashion guiding student to constructing problem ideas from the student themselves. Teacher and student must be aware during learning process that teaching and learning activities become more effective and efficient. The researcher or teacher must prefer various activities of student learning, including because the researcher need more time and learning in general. The learning process during the COVID-19, there were many difficulties, including difficulties in online learning media, difficult computer facilities for student or teacher, difficulties for providing internet network, difficulties to making learning content, difficulties to approaching, evaluating mathematical understanding. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.